What I've got here are two pieces of Lionel Fastrack that light up when a train car goes over them. As you can see on the right hand side here, I have got power connected to the middle rail and the outside rail. This stuff is pretty amazing. It can power the lights at a very low voltage or at a very high voltage. It doesn't really seem to care because it's got a little converter circuit. You can see the circuit board right in the middle here. So what I've got is this one works, which is no problem. This one, however, does not. I'm not sure why it failed, but we're going to see if we can fix it today. Let me show you how this works. There is a small gap cut over here and over here. And if you can see in the light here, you can see the connection strip from here to here, here to here. So this long piece in the center is isolated. Lionel axles, metal wheels and whatnot are connected together, so when a train car goes over, this rail will connect to this rail. We can illustrate that with some pliers. If we bridge two outside rails, the lights come on. If we bridge the inside and this rail, it just shorts out. It's designed to handle that, so it's not a big deal. We can also see that if I put my cute little MTH bobber caboose on there. Start at the edge here, move around, lights up. And we get to the very end, shuts off. Like I said, this one does not do that. Let me pull out the circuit board here. Here's the string of lights that run around. Here's their power supply. I've disconnected this one. The chip, now I'm not positive if this repair is going to work or not, but the chip in the middle here is a buck converter. It takes a small amount of power and boosts it up. That's my understanding of it, and we got some supporting components. This chip gets very hot on here, so I believe that this is the fault, but it could be something else. I'm just not positive. But first, let's get the, well, technically we don't have to remove the circuit board from the product. We could solder it right on there, but I'm not that great, and I have only done extremely small amount of surface mount work. Here is the package. I've got 5 here. Man, those things are tiny. My old cleaning deal has gotten a little ratty, so time for a new one. Much better. These are the Optivisor brand. They come in multiple strengths, and I'll probably be using the stronger one, but these things are great. Alrighty, let's see here. First order of business is to get the old one off. Yeah, tough call if this is actually coated with it. Well, we definitely pulled a few traces, but like I said, shit happens. Matter of fact, I think this board's probably unusable now. Oh well. We don't even have to make a video then. Ooh. Okay, I'm about 3/4 of the way done soldering wires here, and did my best to solder the wires to broken traces, figuring out where they went. Of course, this is all my fault. I ripped it off, so hey, bound to happen. Like I said, I don't have really experience doing the surface mount stuff. But hey, you know, Hot air gun would have been great, but I didn't have one, and that's okay. Alright, so got a couple more wires to put on, and test it out, and probably watch it not work. Okay, one of the wires did break off when I moved everything around, which is bound to happen. And there goes another one. I think they're still connected. They are. I'll be shocked if this works. Like I said, if it doesn't, we'll just disconnect it and get rid of the wire. Okay, got about 10 volts. Okay, we're not drawing any power, so that's a good sign. Or nothing on the meter anyway. Alright. No guarantees. And here and here. Holy crap! Holy crap! I don't believe it! The thing works! Wow. Holy moly! I don't believe it. It actually works. Amazing! Alright, well, let's see if I can somehow button this together and, yeah, see what we can do. That's crazy. Probably won't last, but hey, I got it to work a little bit, so I guess I was right in what was wrong. Alright, we'll see if I can button it back up together. Okay, so what it is, I flipped over the circuit board, decided not to screw it down, and you can see my chip laying over there. I don't know how well this is going to work. Might work a little bit, might work for a long time, might not work at all. Get these other screws down here. Let's test it out again. One wire on the outside, one wire on the inside. Bridge the gap in the middle. Holy moly, it still works. Wow. I am shocked. Well, hey. This was a project that it would have been okay if it wouldn't have worked, because I still would have had a functional piece of track. It just wouldn't have lit up. So, alright. Thanks for joining me in the basement. My name's been Jeremy with Too Many Hobbies, as you can tell. Hope to catch you on the next one, and if I, be sure to subscribe and all that fun stuff, and turn on the notifications, because I do the occasional live stream, and I'm going to be using this piece of track in my layout. So, hope to catch you soon. Thank you.